Hello. Presents closed captions. All right. So this question, number one, when you move from F11 to F8, what happens to the amount of light entering the camera, is asking about one of the main criteria for that are controlled by the aperture, which is the amount of light that enters the camera. Now, the apertures work in terms of halving and doubling. And what I mean by that is that the amount of light let in sequentially gets smaller as we move down in our aperture. So as the camera lens is stopped down, which means it's made smaller, each time it is cutting the amount of light in half. So for example, f4, if you close down the aperture one stop from f4, which would be f5.6, the amount of light is being cut in half. So you can see that each time the circle gets smaller, and it's half as smaller half smaller than the one before. So all the way down till f22, that's much, much smaller. Now, on the flip side, if you were to move to the left from, like, say, f16 to f11, you're doubling the amount of light that is entering the camera. So instead of there being less, there's actually more. And you can visually see that this circle is getting bigger as you move to the left. So f4 here, if you move from f4 to f2.8, that's going to be letting in twice as much light.